Guys, today we are going to learn how to fix tracking tools are not loading on Wix. So if you are facing this issue, just watch the video till the end and don't miss any important step. So let's get started. First, check your domain connection. Make sure your domain is properly connected to Wix. Incorrect DNS settings can block tracking tools from loading. Option number 2, avoid using the HTML embed element. Do not add tracking codes through the HTML iframe embedded elements. Wix requires tracking tools to be added through the marketing integrations or custom code section. Always make sure Google Analytics is not added twice. Duplicate tracking codes can cause conflicts. Remove any extra GA or GTM snippets. Now, use DebugView to verify Google Analytics. In Google Analytics, open DebugView to confirm whether your site is sending events correctly. Also check your cookie banner. If you're using a cookie consent banner, make sure it is not blocking analytics before consent. Extra tip, try opening your website in incognito mode. Sometimes browser extensions or ad blockers prevent tracking tools from loading. If none of these steps work, the issue may be on Wix end, so contact Wix support for further help. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this.